Back. It's been a while.
Go on, you're leading it.
Is it on?
Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It has been a while. Like, what did we say? Like 4 months, you reckon? Longer?
More, yeah.
Something like that. I got called away with work, so when I'm now back off holidays and all that, so we're getting back straight into it. Ryan's been keeping on all the other cars in the meantime. So he worked on the EP2, tidied it up, and that is now sold and gone. Big sad, isn't it?
Yeah. To be for 3 years.
But now it's gone. Then he moved on to the S2K, that's now MOT'd and can be back on the road. It has been, we've both gone on a few little trips that have been really good and really enjoyed it. Then he moved on to the Mark 5 Golf. That got a bit of a refresh and it's MOT and it's now his daily. We're going to do a different video on that, just to explain, because there's a lot of things that have been done, both interior, exterior. You haven't really done any mods, have you?
No.
No, just like
modified.
refreshing it, giving it a new lease of life, kind of. The EM2 is a working project, always. I have got parts coming from America that should be here soon. So hopefully, we're just looking for some seats. Hopefully we'll find them soon. And then now onto today's video, which is going to be the L200. So like I said, in today's video we're going to be working on the L200. We're aiming to change the stereos. So if you've ever been in an original L200, you know the stereos aren't very good. Obviously the car's been on for a couple of seconds. It's not turned on yet. It will do. So Ryan has been lovely for my birthday and bought me a new one. So we're going to hook that all up. We've got a rear dash cam.
Rear reverse camera.
Rear reverse camera. We do have a dash cam we're going to fit at a later date. But as you can see, it does take a while for it to come on. Just keep waiting, it will come on. I hope. It is on because the little triangle's on. Maybe not. Okay, it doesn't normally take this long. There we go, you can see. Yeah, it's not the quickest to load. Obviously, we think it's an original. As you can see, it has literally nothing. It's got a very, very old system. Yeah. So we're going to change it all today and we're going to take you with us, and then we're going to do a bit of a clean because we're going to sell the top box that's on it because it's like a low box. It's not like the full height version, so we're gonna clean the car up inside and out probably and do that. But yeah, we'll crack on with it. So this is what we're replacing it with. It's still a Kenwood, it's just upgraded. It will have CarPlay, which I'm very excited about because this car does not have it. I can answer calls, but it doesn't actually work like connecting your phone and playing music. The only issue we're going to have, and I'll show you now. So at some point this car did have a reversing camera, but it seems, where was it? There it is. The camera is there, but it's not actually. If you come behind, I don't know if you're going to see that, the cable runs all down that way. You can't see, it goes all the way over there. It doesn't work, it doesn't even come up on the screen as an option. Did you say, was that the one that was cut, or was that the towing cables that were cut? There's a few cables that were cut, so the car's obviously had quite a dodgy past and people have just cut and spliced as they needed. So that's kind of the challenges we're working with today. Alright, so the old radio is out. We've taken off the brackets that are down here that we're going to have to put on the new one. And Ryan is having some fun times trying to get this cable connector out.
I did it when I came to yours last.
Yeah, Ryan did like a mock-up, didn't you, to make sure
What I needed.
everything that you needed, because obviously he's the wiring genius out of the both of us. This is the new one. Yeah.
So it's either if the stereo's got stereo's got key 1, so that'll be that wire that I just pointed out.
The black one, that one, the blue one.
So I'll need to connect key 1 to that and get rid of the orange and the green. I guess that's orange.
I guess that's green.
Yeah. I just have to like take them out.
Of the plug.
Yeah. Is, but for that one you have to join them together.
Yeah.
And that Ken will see there, so we're keeping purple and them ones,
yep.
but we're taking them completely out. But for like Pioneer and Sony, you just keep them all in and you literally just plug it in the back. So I never found the proper way to get these out other than just pulling them.
You're supposed to be the wiring guru. So while Ryan carries on dismantling the car, but now he's connecting the DAB connector and just making it look all pretty under the pillar, I'm going to take out this seat and start giving it a bit of a clean, because we have cleaned it a few times but I don't think we've properly got into all the gaps, because you can see down pockets which we've never been able to get to, so we thought might as well do it, eh?
Yeah.
So. We're doing a little test, aren't we now?
Yeah, I'm using the cable that I found before.
Am I just turning electrics on you?
Yeah.
It's on. Working. Never shuts up, that does it? So far it's all working. So we've got the radio working. It's just trying to get the reverse camera.
Yeah.
Well, the setup of it. You have to just where I'm sat on the floor. The seat's still outside. Because we're testing it.
That button on there, what did you say it was for?
This one.
Yeah.
Do you want me to put, is the electric still? What was that?
I don't know, whatever that is. Okay, never mind. I won't use that wire then. I thought that was the signal wire that they'd use. There's no wire to the reverse lights.
Right, okay.
So they obviously did it from something around here.
I don't know what that noise was.
There's like wiring under here for that.
For this?
Yeah. What is it?
I don't know. ASC off. I've never seen it before.
Well, just leave it away.
But why is it making that noise now? Is what I'm worried about.
Because you have turned it on.
Oh, is it because...
Look at that.
I think it was. I'll try again. I think it's because I left it in reverse. Yeah. Okay, don't leave it in reverse. We're turning electrics on.
Oh yeah, never leave it here.
We're just testing the camera now. After somebody forgot to plug the camera in. Is the electric... Turn it on and off because it wasn't plugged in a second ago, was it? When you turned it on. Plug it again.
That is on the picture.
Oh, is it? Chuck it in reverse, maybe?
There's nothing.
Whoa, look at that one! Not seen that one before.
There's nothing really linking into reverse.
Just...
It keeps going. I didn't even have the foot on the brake.
Oh.
Is that still plugged in?
Yes, that's plugged in. Okay, option 2 didn't work.
But why? Also, why is it just going straight to that rather than the home screen?
Oh, I don't know. So what have you now changed for it to say no signal? Because it said off before. What did you change?
Why is it in that?
Oh, okay.
But that's not in reverse. That's just to an accessory.
Oh, okay. So what does that mean? It's live all the time,
Yeah,
rather
you
than...
could literally just press.
Okay. So
we,
what?
We could just be on here and then. What is that? And how do I get to camera easy? I have to go settings, then camera. No. How do I get to that? You don't want to be going into that every time.
At least we know it works. We just need to figure out the kinks now, yeah? Because at least the camera is now, it works. So we just need to get it to work, or we want it to work. Hello. Oh, that was like a fisheye kind of like angle, wasn't it? That was so weird. Oh. So an update of where we're up to. Ryan's feeding the rear camera wires to the back, aren't you? Mm-hmm. I'm starting to put the interior back in. It's all nice and clean. He's got a lot of wires to play with. Have you figured out where the old wire went? Through the grommet. Oh yeah. Right, okay. So we've had to pull back seats down, which is fine, it's just a clip, to get access into that. And then does it just go like this way?
Yeah, it goes along the frame rail there.
Oh, okay. And well, that one will come off, won't it? The old one. This one. It's a lot bigger, that one, compared to the one we've got now. Alright, so this is all installed, so we're just fiddling around with the rear camera, mounting it. Aren't you? So we've just drilled it, what, 1.5? So this is the old camera. We have tried to get it off, but it's not going. So we're just drilling a new hole up here for that camera to be installed. So we'll do that and then show it all hooked up. I'll wait for him to finish drilling that. Another thing we've ordered is some new rear seats. And when we got this car, you can tell it has been actually used for like farming life, whereas we're not using it for that. So I'll show you them now. So you can see there's a slash here. This is like melted. They're just not in good condition. So we've ordered some new rear seats. The top bits weren't actually that bad. They've got gouges out of them. But everything worked. So new seats are on order. They'll be here in a couple of days. We'll get them fitted. We're not too worried about the front seats. We've given them a nice wipe down today. Pulled it all out, pulled all the console out, made all that clean. Obviously they're not in the worst condition, not in the best. Obviously the driver's side does have more wear and tear compared to the passenger, but you know, we can survive with that. So that is kind of everything that we're doing to the truck at the moment. The next kind of things we'll be looking to do will kind of be more mechanic wise. We're going to start looking at the EM as well. Like I said at the beginning, we've got parts coming for that soon. They're coming from America, so we're just waiting for them. But that is all. So I'll show you the camera and then that'll be it. That's a no. No. So here's the new, oh, you can't really see. Here's the camera. Camera's here, all fitted, all nice and cable tied up. So we just need a fuse, don't we? And then it should be up and rolling. So thank you for watching today. We'll be back soon. Maybe on the EM, I'm not sure yet, see what arrives first. Maybe a video on the Golf, I'm not sure yet. But we'll see you soon. See you later. Bye.